Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Global TV app on Roku step by step clearly. To activate the Global TV app on Roku, begin by turning on your Roku device. Make sure your Roku is connected to your TV and the internet. Navigate to the Roku home screen by pressing the home button on your remote. Using the arrow keys on your remote, scroll down to the Streaming Channels option. Select Streaming Channels to open the channel store. In the search bar, type Global TV. Once you find the Global TV app, select it. Click on the Add Channel button to install the app on your Roku. Once the app is added, return to the home screen. Find the Global TV app in your list of channels. Open the Global TV app by selecting it. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. For new users, follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. Once logged in, you may be asked to activate your device. Take note of the activation code displayed on your screen. Now, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Visit the Global TV activation website. Enter the activation code you noted earlier. Follow any additional prompts on the website to complete the activation process. Once finished, return to your Roku device. The Global TV app should now be activated and ready for use. You can start streaming your favorite shows and content immediately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.